Okay, this is Monday, August 7th, 2023. Friends visiting from Austin, Texas. Fred, Gustavo, Paola. I haven't seen the latter two in 29 años, since 1994. So this is a drawing in my Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art series of Archbishop Oscar Romero, who was assassinated in 1980, and I read that he was originally was a kind of conservative mainline, but after a priest he knew, who he was friends with, was assassinated, he became much more progressive and interested in social justice, aiding the poor, the indigent, and the marginalized in El Salvador. And you'll see this allegorical sea monsters all around. I also have some older drawings in there. They're going to point out, you see the hands on the left and right in pencil? You're over here. Right, yeah, there. Yes. And one on the right. I did those for an art assignment when I was a senior in high school, 1968. The drawing on the upper left I found in a sketchbook I did when I was a freshman in college, and I was older freshman, 1974, living in Champaign, Illinois. I don't remember who the prisoners were, or what I did. Might have been from like a Time or Newsweek or newspaper article or something. And the drawing in the upper center, the two children, I think I drew from a photograph in a New York Times article about bombing of buildings in Lebanon, back in the what date is it? I can't make it out from here. 2003, I think. 2003. Yeah, I mean, Lebanon, of course, has been embroiled in conflict for many, many years. Anyway, who would like to say something? Anything? En español, por favor.
Me gusta este monstruo, que es un monstruo marino.
You like the sea monster? Muchas gracias.
Y este también, que es un monstruo y es verde. Y este tiene doble cara.
Two faces.
Tres. Tres.
Very good observation. Very good. And you'll notice, what do you see on the upper right? Something distinctive.
¿Un gato? ¿El gato?
Yeah, it's like a vampire cat.
Sí.
Gato vampiro.
Y son dos ojos.
And what's that?
Dos ojos.
2 eyes, yeah.
Y otro monstruo, pero patas de gallina parece. Chicken feet.
Chicken feet,
Parece.
Pues tu retrato de Oscar Romero está muy lindo.
Sí.
Está muy lindo.
Muy bonito.
Muy bien hecho.
Muy bien.
Sí es reconocible como quien fue.
Okay, muchas gracias, Paola, Gustavo, Fred, Federico, Dr. Fred.
¿Qué es esto, Ken?
They're asking me, what is this? What do you think it is?
¿Soldados?
Huh?
¿Soldados?
Whatever, it's up for viewers' interpretation.
No sé si este es un soldado.
Charlie Chaplin.
A soldier. Y no sé si este es un oligarca campesino. ¿Oligarca o campesino?
Translate into
Is it an oligarch or is it a field worker, a peasant? The hat.
I'm having trouble hearing, sorry.
So,
Is it a field worker or an oligarch?
An oligarch, whichever you want. It's up to viewers' interpretation. I did educational programs in schools for years in a number of states and all around Britain, and I always love hearing school pupils, students, and adults' interpretations. So however you want to interpret it.
Es un insecto.
Insect, yeah.
so aquí va. ¿Por qué tienes manos? ¿Cuál es el significado de las manos en este retrato? What is the meaning of the hands? Why did you choose to put the hands there?
Actually, the hands. This brings me back to. This is gonna be a long video. I used to show for years in my Holocaust Education with art slide later PowerPoint presentations, a painting by a late survivor I had corresponded with who grew up in Warsaw. He did an award-winning children's book called My Brother's Keeper, The Holocaust Through the Eyes of an Artist. His name was Israel Birnbaum. And we corresponded the last year of his life, and we spoke on the phone once. It was like 1992, 93. And he did a painting with hands against a wall, and he used to ask, he went to schools. And it was his going to schools was inspiration from my giving my first slide presentation back in 1994. And he would ask the students, what do you think the hands against the wall signifies? So when I was looking through these old sketchbooks of mine, or the drawings I have from high school, and I saw these hands, I thought, this is interesting. I'll just put these in there. It also brings me, I was involved in the anti-Vietnam War movement as a peace protester when I was 18. And so to me there's kind of just continuity in terms of social justice, wars, conflict, human atrocities just go on and on and on. And those of us who are pro-peace, pro-life as I call it, I'm anti-gun violence, which I call a genocide in this country, we do what we can. And that's all I'll say. I'm
It's a
gonna
great work.
thank you.
Thank you.
Muchas gracias. We're at 6 minutes 24 seconds. I'll have to really work to get people to view this.